准备好了吗？
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why.
And I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this glueless straight unit. It is a 13x4 glueless wig, and when I say glueless, I mean full on glueless, like no glue, no glue, no glue. Yeah, they sent me this 13x4 glueless wig. I don't remember the length of the wig, but it will be down in the description box. And any other information that I need to let you guys know will be down in the description box as well. But before we jump into the installation of the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Inside the package, they sent me their hair care guide, some baby hair coat. I think this is their Luvmehair like head scarf band thingy, some bonnet, some stocking cap, and I got some like wig labeler. It's pretty much just to label your wig so you know like what wig is which. But yeah, that's all they sent to me inside the package. If you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
It's like all the girls around me do their faces and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, yeah, but it's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lifetime and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready?
准备好了吗？
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war.
I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey, that's the risk. When we spray his car, spray your window. Icky, icky. She keeps something on my dick, tryna get it hickey, hickey. I swear that pussy too wet, sticky, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door, I'm picky, picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, busy, yeah. Hello, I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain. Oh my God, y'all niggas bet you'll be for y'all up, be dead. Yeah, pull out a hoes, pull out a whole lot of meds. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of clothes, nigga be stealing my sweat. Pull out a whole lot of earrings, these took your gas. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Pussy, he came with a team, and the brick, he came with a bit. I can teach you how to flex. The Draco, he came with a bitch. The condo, he came with a pit. My new bitch, she came with some dick. Man, he probably believe me, so I pulled up and my niggas will switch. Man, he probably believe me, they thought I believe in the devil like witch. Man, he probably believe me, a real rock star chrome all on my beat. I swear they fucking, I see me, that's why I be living my life like I'm dead. Wake up beside my bitch, I got on that tissue, I leave her to change. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I
shopping, fuck behind me. So I had to get all my niggas up behind. I had to get them off hold. I had to take 12 right on the mile. Drive it like my fan was stolen. They seem like my birthday brand new, cause I'm only known just the floor. Yeah, I just know they be watching. Yeah, I just know they be watching.
All these hoes love me. I am such a sunny guy. Nigga, do not trust me. Baby, I'ma bust you. Wait before you bust me. You shouldn't have trust me. Girl, you got all love. If it's beef, no pate. No, I do not eat steak. All I eat is fish plates.
My diamonds are cold in the freezer, my wrist still in the hill. All in my business. Bitch in my crib and you know I'm consistent. I made a million, you know I'm mixtape. I made a million. I turned to an addict. I brought me a paddock. I brought her a baby. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach. Came with 2 doors. Yeah, that's a Mercedes. I stay with the business. I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady go back. I brought a G-Wagon. That shit was a rabbit. That's why I be racing you at. Yeah, we brought the full door. Had to get ready for the I ain't fuck a bitch so long. I do it in a Honda Accord. I had to count my money on the line board. I just took that bitch shopping, fuck behind the stores. Fuck behind the stores. You know that I got to keep it real, fuck behind the stores. You know that I got to keep it real, fuck behind the stores. Yeah, count up a half a meal, fuck behind the stores. Yeah, she wanted that mileage like she ain't never take steal before. You back and do stuff like your homie ain't never get killed before.
A little bit like I bought the yours and I penny all yellow like a bird. Inside me like 2 times 2, my money bitch all like that. I break money about that, but that money all up. I'm shoving it in, I'm causing a madness. I'm fucking up ass, I buy me the crabs. I buy me the challenges, I never need practice. I'm only gon' double the triple, your money subtracted. Put up on the tracks, put up on the car, put up on the swerves. I been fucking with nobody, bitch got a crib in the birds. She could've got so bad, she could've got in the worst. The wide side, the chain gang bit for 12 they birds. I been on my money the most, I'm richer than all of the nerds. I'm flexing a big money road, these nuts in my pockets and great. I had a chance at the talk, and the bitch again ripping the legs till they burn. 24/7, I stay to be pumping, pilling these motherfucking butters. I think I'm on some of the bitch, had the way that I blew up and left on the earth. All day, you don't think you can rock with the game, you can't come over here. You can drop it in the bonus, the bitch, you can hit with a motherfucking AR. I don't even post no face on the Instagram, bitch, I the motherfucking stay out. Bitch, you do it like it, pay out. We stuck in the bitch with a couple of bits, but it's how we pay out. Trying to motherfucker just on the side, the motherfucker took me to stay out. I think that bitch listening, cause this shit ain't mixed with a motherfucker laugh. I was really shaping a pound. I want a motherfucking girl, yeah, give me now. Yeah, get these motherfucking dollars, listen to one of they sound. Blue watch every day of the week, blue rolling bitch with that. A little bit like I bought the yours and I penny all yellow like a bird. Inside me like 2 times 2, my money bitch all like that. I break money about that, but yeah, money all up. A little bit like I bought the yours and I penny all yellow like a bird. Inside me like 2 times 2, my money bitch all like that. I break money about that, but yeah, money all up.
Is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. I also have a coupon code and it will definitely be down below as well. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, whole lot of red rubies on my neck.